Unlock the power of seamless dropshipping and boost your Shopify store with Spocket. This video is your complete guide to integrating Spocket, finding winning products, and streamlining your entire e-commerce operation. First things first, let's get Spocket connected to your Shopify store. Log in to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Apps section from there. Click on Customize Your Store and then Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, search for Spocket. You'll see it listed there. Click on the Spocket app and then select Add App. This will take you to the Spocket app installation page. Review the permissions and click Install App. You'll then be prompted to create a Spocket account or log in if you already have one. Once Spocket is connected, you're ready to find products. Spocket boasts a vast catalog of suppliers, many of them offering fast shipping times. You can filter by category, country of origin, price, and even shipping location to find products that perfectly match your niche. Take your time to browse, check product descriptions, supplier ratings, and shipping costs. When you find a product you love, simply click Add to Spocket. Back in your Spocket dashboard, you can edit your product details, including title, description, and pricing, before you push it to your Shopify store. Once you're happy, click Push to Shopify. This will automatically add the product to your Shopify product catalog. Now, let's talk about orders. When a customer buys a product from your Shopify store that's sourced through Spocket, the magic happens automatically. Spocket detects the new order and forwards it directly to your supplier for fulfillment. You don't need to manually place orders or track inventory. Spocket handles it all, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of overselling. Spocket also syncs inventory levels, so you'll always know what's in stock. You can track the status of your orders directly within your Spocket dashboard. As your business grows, Spocket scales with you, making it an essential tool for any serious Shopify dropshipper. Start exploring Spocket today and transform your e-commerce journey.